Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss Virgo Creativity here. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. I would love to have you along. And today is going to be a quick haul. I end up stopping by the 99-cent only store and as well as DD's. So I'm just going to do a quick haul and I'm going to share with you what I end up picking up from DD's. But not only am I going to share with you, I'm going to try these items on. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into the 99-cent only store. Can we? Okay, so from the 99-cent only store, I end up picking up this pretty comb. Okay, and it was only $1.99. Like, so affordable, right? All of these things that I have are so affordable. So it's this comb, okay, and it's nice. It's made out of plastic, okay, and then it has sparkles all on it with swirls. Okay, so for $1.99. So imagine if you had a mantle or a fireplace and you just wanted to decor it out with holiday items, then yes. So I also end up picking up this right here. Okay, make sure the light is hitting it right. 50 piece. Okay, $7.99. So you cannot beat that at all. So yes, and I'm trying to stick with the gold. So yeah, I thought that was just so yes. And then, you know, I have to go in the cosmetic item area aisle, okay, and I picked up some cosmetics, okay. So yeah, I end up getting this elf, okay, foundation. So let me see, palette, let's open it up. It's nice and clean too. It's never been opened. Okay. So I need that. I really, really do. Okay. I can use that. So yeah. I think it was really worth $1.99. $2. Like, can't go wrong with that. So I also end up picking up this $1.99 Maybelline. Okay, now let's open this too. Why not? I hope everything is going your way. I hope all is well. And yeah, I'm trying my best to plan everything out. Okay, this is like a mauve color, and mauve, like berries, mauve colors, pinks, those are like my colors. I really, really like colors like that. So it's just okay. So yeah, can't beat that. So that's what I end up picking up from the 99-cent only store. Now let's look and see what I end up picking up from DD's. Okay, now I know it's starting to get chilly, so that is what I had in mind when I went into the store. So I end up picking up this beautiful burgundy sweater, okay, and it was only $9.99. Like, affordable. This sweater was only $9 with 99 cents. So let's just say 10 bucks, okay? And I end up picking it up in a size large, okay? So yeah, and I believe it's polyester, if I'm not mistaken. I believe the material is polyester. Yes, it has only 10% polyester and 90% acrylic. Okay, so I also end up picking up this beautiful lavender. Yes. Okay, and I end up picking this up in a size large too as well. Okay, and the price was only $5.99. So yeah, and this one I believe too is 89% polyester and 11% nylon. And then I have this other one, blush pink. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on, and this is like a turtleneck, sort of like a cow neck sweater. And so yeah, and I end up picking this one up in a size small, and the price was only $5.99. So yeah, I'm gonna try these things on really quickly. And okay, and it's like so stretchy, so it's in a size small. And yeah, I just love this neck on there. Oh, too cute. Yeah, okay. So this is the first one. I would just pair this like with a boot, a UGG boot, okay, a cute jean jacket, and some nice, cute little fitting jeans, and go on by my business, okay. Just throwing a little light gold accessory, yeah. That's that one. Let me try on another one. Okay, now this is the other one, okay, and this is how it fits. And I just absolutely love the color, okay. Yes. Okay, now you can wear this like this, or you can put a collar under it, okay, with a cute little blazer or a bigger jacket or a coat. Yes, it's just so pretty. I think this color goes well and complements all skin tones. So yeah, I love it. And this one is in a, I believe, large. With the other one, the pink one that I just tried on, is in a small. So yeah. Cute. I love it. Yes. Okay, now this is the last one. So I'm loving this lavender. And someone had told me that lavender looks very well with me. So that's why I've been buying things in lavender, because I really never considered that. But yeah, okay, thanks. They made an excellent point. So yeah. And then I would just go ahead and pair it with gold, okay? Okay, so this is it. It has a hood on it, okay? Yes. So it has a hood. I'm just loving this lavender. Okay, and you cannot beat that price. Yes, that's everything. And yeah, this has been my little haul, my little try on haul. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. So I'm gonna go ahead and say my goodbye. Okay, this has been so much fun. Okay, so thank you so very much. Okay, I appreciate each and every second, minute that you have spent with me here on my channel. Okay, so don't forget to hit subscribe. Okay, and come back and visit me again. Give me a thumbs up. That helps. Okay, so I would like to say, I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do.